Hi, Internet. This is your Asheville real estate market report for July of 2022. It's still a weird time in real estate. Is the market adjusting? Well, maybe back to normal? I don't know if we're on our way back to normal yet, but let's look at some of the numbers and I'll let you know what I think is happening in the market. No, I'm Dave Noyes, and if you hear anything in this video that strikes a chord with you, I dare you to hit the like button and subscribe or follow me. I'll do what we usually do here. I'll let you know the difference between last year and this year and give my take on real estate, on the real estate market in Asheville. July this year, we had 218 new single-family listings in Asheville. Last year, we had 266. That's an 18% difference in a market that already has really low inventory. In fact, we had 344 homes for sale in July last year. This year, we only have 274. That also led to a lower number of closed deals. Only 118 in Asheville this year compared to 201 last year. Homes are on the market a median of 7 days in July. That's a tick up from the 4 days in April, May, and June. And those homes were selling at 100% of their asking price. That's down from 103% of asking price last year. A couple of months ago, I saw a house go for 20% over asking price. That one house probably bumped the average up a little. We had fewer showings in July than we had in May and June. There were 15.8 fewer showings in July this year than last year. But compare that to 20% fewer homes on the market. And what this tells me is that there are proportionally still a lot of buyers out there competing for fewer houses on the market. There are some buyers who decided not to buy when interest rates went up earlier this year. The buyers who are still in the market are going after our low inventory. So if your dad told you, we always offer less than asking price, that bit of fatherly advice will mean you probably don't get your offer accepted. That brings us to the average sales price. Average sales price peaked this year in May. It's $726,000. In July, the average price was $602,000, or $602,937,000. So this is the housing market crashing? No. Last year, the average sales price was $545,000. That's a year-over-year increase of 10.6%. This is a supply and demand market right now. There was little supply and still plenty of demand in July. And that's what continues to drive home values up. We'll reach a leveling off point, but it's hard to say when. So here's the bottom line. Week after week, I'm asked if now is a good time to buy. I would say yes, it is. We expect home values in Asheville to continue to increase at about 10% in the next 12 months, as long as the labor market stays consistent. Interest rates will continue to fluctuate, but you can buy now and refinance when interest rates dip. And if you think about it, to keep the math easy, let's just say values in Asheville increased at 12%. That's less than what we saw in the last year. But that's 1% per month. And using the current average sales price of $600,000, and you might spend more or less for a home, but that is $6,000 in equity added per month. For sellers, you probably have a ton of equity in your home right now. It could be a good time to use that equity for a larger home to fit your needs, or find an ideal work from home house. And there's still a lot of buyers out there, and sellers are still receiving multiple offers and close to full price offers. And if you want to discuss if now is the right time to buy or sell, or if you have any questions about what you've heard here, just reach out to me via direct message, comment, or my phone. My information is located somewhere around this video. For updates, I invite you to follow me and subscribe and like this video. By the way, all my stats come directly from Canopy MLS, which is the most up-to-date market data for the local area.